Section 5 Solar Cell. Lecture number 4 Characteristics of Solar Cell. Learning objective of the lecture 4. Learner should able to understand characteristics of solar cell. Learner should able to understand the significance of characteristics of solar cell. Now we will see one by one the important points and the characteristics of solar cell. First, short circuit current of solar cell. The maximum current that a solar cell can deliver without harming its own construction. It is measured by short circuiting the terminals of cell at most optimized condition of the cell for producing maximum output. While choosing the solar panel for the construction of a solar power system, it is very much important to consider the short circuit current of a solar cell or a short circuit current of a whole panel. Second, open circuit voltage of solar cell. It is measured by measuring voltage across terminals of a cell when no load is connected to the cell. It is also one of the important parameter while choosing a solar panel. The open circuit voltage basically measured by just connecting the terminals without or measuring the potential difference between the terminal when the no load is exist on the solar cell. Maximum power point of solar cell. The maximum electrical power one solar cell can deliver at its standard states condition. Basically, the maximum power point of a solar cell, this concept is very much important when we want to get an electricity from a solar cell. The maximum power point is basically the consisting of the maximum current and the maximum voltage that we were drawing from a solar cell. If we draw the VI characteristics of a solar cell, maximum power will occur at the bend point of characteristics curve. See this curve. On the y-axis there is a current, on the x-axis there is a voltage. A solar panel is having the maximum current, a solar cell is having its maximum current is a open circuit current, a short circuit current, and a solar panel is having a voltage is a open circuit voltage. These are two maximum parameters, that is a short circuit current and the open circuit voltage. When we draw a curve, it comes as a rectangle. But actually, when a load is occurred on a solar cell, at that time, the maximum current and the maximum voltage, these two parameters are very much important. When we draw the horizontal line through the IM, when we draw the vertical line through the VM, it will connecting at one point at this bent curve, and this is nothing but the maximum power point. Basically, the maximum power point phenomenon is very much important while choosing a solar panel. This power point we can get from the MPPT analysis of an inverter. In the later lectures, we will discuss how to get a maximum power from a solar panel. Next is a current at maximum power point, that is a IM. The current at which the maximum power occurs, current at maximum power point is shown in the VI characteristics of solar cell by IM. Next, voltage at maximum power point VM. The voltage at which maximum power occurs, voltage at maximum power point is shown on VI characteristics of solar cell. That is, this is VM and this is IM. The next characteristics is the fill factor of a solar cell. Basically, the fill factor is a ratio between the product of current and voltage at the maximum power point to the product of short circuit current and the open circuit voltage of a solar cell. This fill factor is basically a formula, a maximum power from a solar cell we can get, out of which the ideal maximum power which solar cell can deliver. Im multiplied by Vm upon Isc multiplied by Voc, where Im is the maximum current, Vm is the maximum voltage, Isc is a short circuit current, and Voc is open circuit voltage. Efficiency of solar cell. It is defined as the ratio of maximum electrical power output to the radiation power input to the cell, and it is expressed is in the percentage. Basically, when we expose a solar cell on an environment, efficiency we can calculate for a solar cell is a maximum power solar cell can deliver to us when we are giving a particular input to a solar cell. Let's say on the afternoon when we put a solar cell outside, at that time the input power that sun is giving to the solar cell and solar cell is giving electricity to us, that is nothing but the efficiency of solar cell. This formula is eta is equals to Pm upon Pin, which is further equal to Pm upon 100 multiplied by A.